Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Presently, the Australian dollar is in a bit of a lacklustre price action, but still remains above the 60-day simple moving average after the Reserve Bank of Australia cut its official cash rate, or the OCR, by 25 base point to 4.10, marking the first rate reduction in 4 years. The move was widely expected. Following the decision, the RBA, Michelle Bullock, acknowledged the impact of high interest rates, but cautioned that it's too early to declare victory over inflation. Trading is likely to be somewhat subdued at the start of this week, as the markets in the US will be closed for President's Day. Nevertheless, all eyes will be on this Thursday when we get an update of the unemployment data for Australia, and also keep a close watch on Friday because the RBA governor will give a speech on more insights into policy direction. So turning to the technicals, as recently stated, above the 60-day moving average, the call is up towards 64 to 65 cents, given the fact the trend is now reversed to a ball, and therefore could see further gains with any pullback likely to be limited and seen around 63.20 to 62.80 as support. A little bit mixed when it comes to euro, but nevertheless, I still feel there is further upside once the US returns and the market can get a little bit more interaction and therefore look towards the region of 105 and maybe even on to 106, given the fact the market broke above 104.40-45 just recently. The dollar yen, well, the market recovers slightly but still holding somewhat heavy, and I still feel there is further downside potential, and that is towards the region of 151 to 150.5, and the call seen at 149.2060. Any upside attempts likely to be limited, resistance seen around 152.45 to 153. Sterling, I still believe the market has potential to rally on, given the fact from this inverse head and shoulders gives a measured move around 129. And presently, though, the technicals are a little bit wavering, but I like the way this ADX is showing clear strength when it comes to the bull trend, and therefore expecting to see that move with any pullback likely to be limited. The upcoming data of the Consumer Price Index releases are set to maybe influence the Bank of England's monetary policy expectations. Keep an eye on that, and therefore could see a little bit more whipsawedness and rally on. Finishing with commodities, the market has rebounded when it comes to gold, recapturing the 2,900 and dismissing this engulfing candle. We still need confirmation from this candle, but given the fact the market is rebounded and broken back into positive territory, may see a further challenge to the upside, as there is much speculation for a move on to 2,930 and many call him 3,000. Also, oil rebounded clearly from this 69, 60, 80 area and now potentially can rally on. That is towards that target that I've been waiting for at 73.30 and reassess. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you for joining me. And as always, look out for the interest report. I hope you enjoyed a great start to the day.